Nutrition, fitness and impact on slimming. With people focused on weight loss and slimming, health is often left out from many weight loss strategies. Slimming has become the primary concern, which when you look at it more closely, is unfortunate. From whatever angle you look at the slimming issue, you will always come to the conclusion that there is no such thing as slimming without health. Of course, some of the slimming programs that promise you quick results like drastically reduced diets can give you the figure you desire, but you have no guarantee the weight problem will not recur and the cost sometimes is a bit too high. The best way to slim down, you have to admit that prioritizing nutrition or a nutritionally balanced diet and fitness is the best way of slimming. Your body has inherent mechanisms for preventing abnormalities like excessive weight, and all you have to do is to make sure these mechanisms are working properly. Different nutrients do different valuable things for your body systems. Calories are for energy, fiber helps the liver and metabolism to work well, vitamins and minerals generally are for maintenance and operations. It is when you do not take enough or a bit too much of a certain nutrient that your body stops working as efficiently as it should. For example, when you take in more calories than you need, your body converts the excess calories into fat tissues, and from there a whole range of negative things can happen not only to your health but to your physical appearance as well. Proper nutrition allows the body to work properly so that health problems like excess poundage are prevented. If nutrition is preventive, it can also be curative, because once you get your body systems working properly again, it can, with some assistance, remove your unwanted weight. Fitness workout, how it induces slimming. The assistance that you need to provide comes in the form of fitness exercises and, of course, a diet that is calorie reduced and contains all the other helpful nutrients that will make your systems work more efficiently. Compared to slimming pills or crash diets that make you undergo deprivations that most often harm your body, solving a slimming problem using a nutritionally balanced diet is admittedly slow, but when your overall health is at stake, the speed with which you slim down should take a back seat. Fitness exercise also plays a crucial role in slimming. It is probably the lean body and the abs you are after, but it does a lot for getting your weight back into normal and making you slim. Workouts require energy, and your diet providing fewer calories, there is only one source of energy where you can get it, from the fat deposits in your body. Lean muscles that only fitness exercises can develop requires less energy to maintain compared to fats. Thus, you experience reduced cravings for food, especially for calorie-rich foods. Fitness exercises are actually one of the better of staying slim or getting